Welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore the different types of views in Snowflake. Views plays a crucial role in simplifying the data access, enhancing data security, and promoting data sharing with organizations. Before we get into the types of views, let's quickly see what a view is in Snowflake. So, a view is a virtual table that does not physically store data but represents a result set of a query on one or more tables. It acts as a lens through which you can access specific subsets of data or present complex queries as a simple and reusable object. There are three main types of views in Snowflake: simple view, materialized view, and secured view. So, a simple view is a basic virtual table created from a single select statement. It can include columns from one or more underlying tables. This type of view is most commonly used for simplifying complex queries or hiding the sensitive data. So the next type of view is the materialized view. A materialized view is a pre-computed, physically stored version of a query result. It's useful for queries that involve large data sets and complex computations. Materialized views improve query performance by reducing the need to recompute the same data repeatedly. Then we have the secured view. A secured view is designed to control access to sensitive data in your Snowflake environment. It allows you to restrict the visibility of certain columns, rows, or entire tables for specific users or roles. Secure views are essential for enforcing data privacy and security policies. So, overall, views are a powerful feature in Snowflake that can significantly enhance your data management, analytics, and security practices. Whether you need to simplify complex queries, improve query performance, or control data access, Snowflake's view capabilities have got you covered. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.